Thursday's decision by a Cleveland judge comes just days after a group of clergy and activists used a little-known law, asking the court to order the arrest of the police officers involved in the shooting death of 12-year-old Tamir Rice last November.
The people have decided to take the opportunity to make the government work for them. This is not a contradiction. This is not a circumvention. This is simply applying the law that is available so that our government is responsible and accountable to us.
The boy was playing with a pellet gun in a public park when officers Timothy Lohman and Frank Garmbach pulled up. The shooting caught on surveillance video. Judge Ronald Adrian released his opinion Thursday, stating that he found probable cause that Officer Garmbach be charged with negligent homicide and dereliction of duty. The judge also said Officer Lohman, who fired the fatal shots, should face the same charges, including murder, involuntary manslaughter, and reckless homicide.
This is more than about the law. This is about a moral obligation to speak truth to folks in power when they refuse to. It's about a moral obligation for my little nieces and nephews who are on the streets of Cleveland every day, and I fear for their life.
Cleveland authorities have said that the officers mistook the weapon for a real gun. It took the sheriff's department more than 6 months to wrap up its investigation. The case was turned over to prosecutors last week. Community leaders took advantage of an Ohio law that allowed them to bypass prosecutors and go directly to the court.
It's absolutely legal. There's an obscure provision in Ohio law that allows an average citizen to file an affidavit with any reviewing magistrate that could force them to file a warrant in this case.
The judge noted in his order, however, that his role was advisory in nature, and he did not order the arrest of the officers. The judge's opinion is now in the hands of Cleveland prosecutors.